Hi guys, so today I'll be sharing how to make ube loaf bread. For the ingredients, we're going to need 1 cup of room temperature butter, 1.5 cups of granulated white sugar, 2 cups of plain flour, 1/3 cup of ube halaya. I'll put the link in the description box how to make it, or you can buy a store-bought one. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 3 eggs, 1/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon of milk, 2 teaspoon of ube extract or ube flavoring. Optional ingredients is purple food coloring, but if you don't have it, you don't need to use it. In a large bowl, we're going to beat the butter. To this, we're going to add the sugar. Continue mixing until it is well combined. To this, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of ube flavoring. Also, it's time to add the ube halaya. Again, I'm going to put the link in the description box on how to make this using ube powder. Give this a mix. Occasionally stop to scrape down the side of the bowl. By the way, your oven should be preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. Now we're going to add the eggs one at a time, mixing in each addition. Scrape down the side of the bowl. Now it's time to add the milk. I'm using fresh milk. Once everything is well combined, we're going to sift in the dry ingredients, which is the flour, baking powder, and salt. So sift this. Then give it a mix using a rubber spatula first. Then I'm going to add gel food coloring, about 3 drops, just to make the loaf bread brighter. Then to finish the mixing, I'm going to use my handheld mixer. Scrape down the side of the bowl again. And this is now ready to be baked. I have a loaf pan that I grease the side with oil and put parchment paper at the bottom. Fill in the loaf pan about 3/4 of the way full. Give it a tap. Then we're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 to an hour, or until when you insert the skewer in the middle and the skewer comes out clean. This is what it looks like after baking. Let it cool down in a pan for about 10 minutes and then you can take it out of the pan. And this is what it looks like. Optional ingredients: if you have icing sugar, you can put icing sugar, or you can put cream on top. I'm just trying to make this simple. I'm using icing sugar to dust the top. And this is the finished product. Just to show you what it looks like inside the loaf. The outside is crunchy, the inside is moist and soft. This is really delicious. I can guarantee that you're going to love this. A close-up look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.